Imagine a virus so potent, so lethal, that it has the potential to redefine the very concept of a pandemic. The world's most dangerous virus might have been engineered in a laboratory. This is the story of the GX_P2V virus, a result of the relentless pursuit of knowledge by Chinese researchers. In the bustling city of Beijing, a team of Chinese scientists embarked on a daring experiment. They introduced the GX_P2V virus into rodents, specifically genetically modified mice that mirror human genetics. The results were astounding and terrifying in equal measure. The virus proved lethal to all subjects, claiming the lives of every single mouse in the experiment. Output. But what exactly is the GX_P2V virus? Originating from the family of coronaviruses, it was first discovered in 2017 in pangolins in Malaysia. The virus is a deadly concoction that has the ability to adapt and mutate, making it particularly dangerous. The first encounter with this virus revealed a shocking mortality rate of 100% in the infected mice, a statistic that far surpasses previous results. The experts noted that the virus took a toll on the mice rapidly, with all subjects succumbing within 8 days. The speed at which this virus operates is nothing short of alarming. Symptoms of the GX_P2V infection included weight loss, lethargy, and a noticeable hunch in the body. The virus targeted the lungs, bones, eyes, throat, and brain, and just a day prior to mortality, the eyes of the subjects turned stark white. While the original source of the coronavirus remains elusive, the experiments with the GX_P2V virus in a Chinese lab have once again raised global concerns. The potential danger posed by this virus is immense. The lethality, the rapidity of its effects, and its ability to adapt are all factors that contribute to making this virus potentially the most dangerous in the world. And so, the world watches on with bated breath as scientists continue to unravel the mysteries of this deadly virus, hoping to learn how to combat it before it ever has a chance to wreak havoc on a global scale. The story of the GX_P2V virus serves as a stark reminder of the power of scientific discovery and the potential dangers that lurk in the unknown.